Spartans, prepare for glory! The day may come when the courage of Sparta fails, when we forsake our friends and break all bonds of fellowship. But it is not this day. For this day we fight.
Are you
and
crying?
To prepare you for that battle, I will ask a very simple question. Who am I? To which you shall respond, I am a Spartan. Who am I?
I'm a Spartan!
We are honored by your courage and commitment to excellence. But know this. Today your mind, body, and spirit will all be put to the ultimate test. For you chase glory on this day. Who am I?
I'm Spartan!
Look at the Spartans on your right and your left. You will draw strength from them as they will draw strength from you. You will not let them fail. Who am I?
I'm Spartan!
By all that you hold dear on this good earth, I bid you stand, sons and daughters of Sparta. Stand and fight, for today is the day that you rise to be.
Oh!